Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about listening to your Outlook email messages with Read Aloud. First, you need to check and make sure that your Read Aloud in Outlook is on. Just go to File, click Options, and select on Ease of Access. And under Application Display, select the Show Read Aloud checkbox and click OK. Now, your Read Aloud is set up. You can now use this. By using Read Aloud, you just need to select a message and highlight the message and click on Read Aloud.
Hi honey. Good day. Welcome to Virtual Construction Assistants. Virtual Construction Assistants is an outsourcing company that finds and recruits talent in the Philippines with clients in the United States.
And by the way, you have an option to customize the voice settings. You can change the speed and select a different voice, just like this.
Virtual Construction Assistants. www.virtualconstructionassistants.com.
Alright, so now you're ready and use your Read Aloud in Outlook. So that's all for this week. See you next week.